Hi, this is Ray. I'm with Fast Car Decals and Ray's Auto Trim. Just want to shoot a real quick install tip video on what seems to be a very good seller so far, and that is the Widow Stripe for the 2019 and up Camaro. Have it available for the RS and the SS. I just want to show you something really neat about our stripe kits, how user-friendly they are. If you notice, I've got this hood taped up and ready to go. What you're going to notice is right here, you've got a notch. And that lets you know that's where it goes to the edge. And we're going to tuck that underneath there so that it's got a real nice finish. And it fits right on that body line. Not much can go wrong if you just follow the body line. One of the things that I did do is I took my tape measure and I measured from this corner to the tip, make sure it's both the same way on the front end. Just a little something to show you how easy this is. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to install this. And what I will do, I have lots of videos on how to install the dry vinyl. This one particular one is the Avery Supreme Wrap Satin Black, which is sort of in between the matte black and the gloss black. What I'm going to do is I'm going to raise that up. I'm going to pull that backing back, and then I'm going to lay it down and squeeze it out. Do the same thing with the other side. Just use the tried and true hinge method, and I hope this helps you to. This is one of those kits where you definitely want to pull your car inside. You do not want a hot hood. You want it kind of cool. So if it's been driven a while, you may want to give it a chance to cool down, and that way it doesn't stick as fast. But this is the 2019 Chevy Camaro, the Widow Stripe. I'm just going to show you a couple tips to install it. And please, again, subscribe. And again, this is Fast Car Decals, and we sure do appreciate your business.